Have you created a new contact in eWay-CRM and want to import older emails from your Outlook 365? I'm Eve, your virtual consultant, and today I will show you how to do it with eWay-CRM Online. This feature is great when adding a new client, but it's extremely useful when you are just starting with eWay-CRM and importing tons of contacts. You surely bring a history of emails you'd like to include. With eWay-CRM Online, it's incredibly simple. Let's have a look. Let's pretend that I'm adding a new contact and fill in the contact form. Once I click Save, eWay-CRM will detect there is a new email address. It will ask me if I want to check my mailbox and import any older correspondence. Sounds helpful. Let's do it. 3 months sounds sufficient. Let eWay finish the job in the background so I can work on something else in the meantime. I can even turn off my PC. Wait a second. My colleague Grady was in touch with this customer as well, and he could import his emails too. Is he online on Teams? Chat in Teams. Find Grady and start a chat. Hey, can you upload your older emails from James, please? Mine are being uploaded as we speak. Sure. This is Grady's computer. He has clicked on the link I sent him over Teams, so he's looking at James' contact in eWay-CRM. He just needs to click Import Emails in the main toolbar and let eWay-CRM do the rest. And we are done. If anybody clicks on emails on James' contact, they will get a full history of all emails. Since everybody in my team already activated the automatic email saving, all future emails will be shared amongst us. Pretty cool, right? When I open my Outlook, this is Outlook Online. eWay-CRM Online gives me complete details about the person, including his email history. This is James. I can refresh my memory in just a few seconds. Huge time saver. What if we need to import email history from multiple contacts? Do we need to go one by one? No, we can do them all at once. If you go to Contacts, there is a button Import Emails in the main toolbar. If you click on it, eWay-CRM will import all emails you sent and received with all your contacts at once. Try it. Again, 3 months seem to be just fine. And confirm. Since I already have quite a few contacts, this will take a while. Again, I can click Continue in the background and do something else. The button Import Emails is available in Modules Deals and Companies, so you can import your email history to all items. Check it. Thank you for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit the thumbs up button below and make sure to subscribe to our channel so you won't miss any of our upcoming tutorials. You can also join our Reddit group and chat with other users. And most importantly, be effective with eWay-CRM.